I'm Ricky Coleman with AC Parts Warehouse. Today's tech tip, we're going to change a bearing out in a sanding pulley off the clutch assembly. One thing that's very important when you're pressing a bearing out or working on these pulleys is to have a fixture to support the surface of the pulley. A lot of the times when you're replacing a bearing, the bearing's already seized up, it's heated up, and it's actually tacked itself to the inner ring of the pulley. Pressing it out, you're having to use an excess amount of force. It's real easy to bend the pulley. A great template to use is the clutch coil as a template for you guys that build your own fixtures to slide up in here, but you have to have something to support the drive surface of the pulley. The coil's a great template to use. Using our press fixture to support the pulley, the drive surface, put under our press. We've got the pulley out. The pulley's not bent or warped, so you'll have good surface contact for your drive hub. Going back, installing the new bearing in the pulley. Go ahead and get the bearing seated into the pulley. Make sure it's even and the bearing's not cockeyed. Using our same fixture, as we're pressing back in, we need to support the front surface of the rotor here. Using a bearing press fixture, it's pressing down on the outer race of the bearing. Now, as you can see, this bearing is not seated in all the way, so we'll need to put it back in the press. Setting the pulley back up in the fixture so we can completely press the bearing down. Okay. You'll usually hear a pop. That'll be the bearing pulley seating and bottoming out. Fixture off. Pulley smooth. It's completely pressed in to the front of the pulley, and now we're ready to stake the bearing in place. Using our press fixture to once again support the drive surface. Using a 6-point staking tool. Sanding stakes there's out of 12. We're using a 6-point. And your bearing is staked in. Pulley is ready to be reinstalled back on the compressor and put back into service. And once again, if you have any questions, you can always contact us at 972-772-5502 or come see us on the web at www.acparts.com. Thank you.